Just remember how quiet this is. This is a very special spot because this plaque says John was the elder built this in 1727. This is his first project in Bath, London to build this. If it wasn't in Bath in 1727, Bath wouldn't look like it does today because John Wood and his son built most of the city between them. This is a hospital, St John's Hospital, but it dates from 1175. There's been a hospital on this site. In 1175, it wasn't about treating the sick, it was about hospitality. So it was about welcoming people to the city. And the Duke of Chandos, who owned the hospital, wanted a very fine new wing so the fashionable people could come when they were taking the waters. Because when we go through the archway, we're in the spa course where the springs bubble up. So people came here, stayed to take the waters. It's quiet today because it's stone circles do you think there are in Britain of that age, 4,500 years old? Don't be shy. 10, that's good. A couple more kisses. 1, just Stonehenge, just Stonehenge.
5.
10.
5.
5, there we are. Well, here's the answer.
अंकल रुक जाते हैं.
So I love this street. They're always filming here. You know, if you just take sort of the yellow lines out the way, it looks exactly as it did 250 years ago. And in that Sherlock episode, the lady that fell out of the window, it was from a window up here. And she didn't really fall out, she was all right. Just the movies. And I think they turned this into a fruit and vegetable shop. So, bad idea of Victorian Street having guitars. We're going to go underneath the arch, and just around the corner, it's Upper Borough Walls again. It's the only section of Bath City Wall left, so I'll show you that next.
जनाब 3 घंटे पहले साढ़े को बड़े बहुत नहीं खाते 2.5 घंटे की तस्वीरें लेनी मैं अपनी मेरी हर बार मेरी क्रेडिट दूंगा भाई क्रेडिट नूं छड्ड मैं भाई मैं भी यूके आया आई भाई देसी टोटा देख ब्रेक लगाई हुई है
Yeah. So here's the road name again, Upper Borough Walls, and for about 1,700 years this was the course of the city wall around Bath. This is inside the city, this is outside. And I think if you're here for a year, maybe you'll go to